Adwoa Safo mu say Dome Kwabenya fo agimi ohu omo so mo yankwasiafo ohu omo say omo ni adwene a omo betume decide ama omo ho. Adwoa Safo went to stay in America for years. Abra na yetua ne car from the taxpayer. Dome Kwabenya maamefo omo nam nsuom, omo nam awiem, omo nam mfuturo omo kwan asay no. Those people, the taxes were taken. We were giving it to Adwoa Safo for her to enjoy in America with her kids. At the point, na Adwoa Safo to car $200,000. Dome Kwabenya, the whole constituency, obieni obetuma to sakari bichi.
Adwoa Safo kwasiaba. Adwoa Safo kwasiabe. Adwoa Safo yogurt na wo chanu fan yogurt no. Enya MP adwuma. Obi anto abamfa nkosi parliament se koche yogurt. Adwoa Safo kwasiaba. Obi anfa nkosi parliament se dey koche yogurt ma omo yogurt ne bo esan. Obi abetimi ato yogurt adi woni fie. Ya to abama o se sika na wa wia no. A wodi ato efie wa brochi ade o man kwasiafo ma no.
Mima wakwaba eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushi. So we your first time abomodia subscribe. Mia notification is to send you anytime bia ye di video betumo so sabe kanu nye bia share ushe via comment fa ho kire wadwen efa video no ho abusua like video no na share emo bia so enye bi hwe medasi bebre abusua Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo ana ne ho aba sam ye o. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo ana abusua Twene Jonas grass nkoa the system is working 24/7. Oni Kelvin Taylor abusua oma so ni mu akyese. Omo posa no ano omo posa no. Omo twinase ano omo twinase. Abusua de omo pese omo de ye ni bia abusua oma so ni mu a omo de ye no. Abusuya Kelvin Taylor on Twene Jonas so de mo amunim se kyese eba omo akyese social media so omo kasa ekọ akiri a abusuya omo ka hu bi eba social media so omo akyese omo anu odin a omo so mu a omo betimi aposa wo atete wo abusuya omo ka hu bi enti obi babusa se edian ana Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo wakoya enunti no se nuanom mienu omo so ni mu abusuya omo posa no sa ni nyina ne se abusuya mo amunim se emre bia akono Sarah Adwoa Safo oba out ebeka se ne ma eyare enti na abusuya wajai na juma to honom akotena America atrese wo ti honom for days, for weeks, for months abusuya na juma da honom a obia anye den enye juma no. Parliament nso no omu hia no ama na baye juma no show Adwoa Safo ye hwehwe na ye hunu wo bebia ono ani party mu nso omu hia no ama na beboa ama kyerese bill bi wo hono a omu pese omu vote in favor of the government abusua numbers na omu hia no enso nti no abusua Adwoa Safo no omu hia no pa so obeba beden abeka omho sene ombetumi apase bill no enso omu ye bia Adwoa Safo no show ni constituency nso a abusua omu hia MP se MP obeba abebo adwuma MP obema omahu de ekoso ewo Ghana mamu enso abusua Adwoa Safo no show eno ana abusua sansem yi ekọ so akyese Ghana fo obia ka ne de efa ho no abusua etwamu koi etini enim se ayeden akoda because the honorable no ye no ne enim se eye MP sem no de enya de a abusua Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo nani yeden agi hu biem ne enim se America ho de waka no mo akyese o yeden o hwe ne ma because na ne kasa kra na yeden asesa na yenkohwe anansia Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo about the apology chechirenche ema Ghana fo ema ne party fo ema president ema chief of staff ema ne constituency fo nyina se osre o monfa nche se apacho ni nyina ne se abusua MP no opeso san beden obe contest biem no obe stand for Dome Kwabenya fo biem o abusua eno ana Kelvin Taylor one Twene Jonas omo say aha ne he ene esomuji e de ebei eye wodia abusua mumienko ne enkotie Kelvin Taylor one Twene Jonas grass nkoa.
Adwoa Safo, I will contest again as MP for Dome Kwabenya in 2024. Adwoa Safo say he does not care. Or since Dome Kwabenya for Jiminti, Kwabenya obesa contest bim. This is where we are today. When you are constituent, na ye tumu for say some MPs omo respect you because of the way you vote. The same as Ayawa so West Wagon. Lydia Al-Hassan. Lydia Al-Hassan came to sell drugs that has expired. A drug and cause obawo your demand a bleeding no. Lydia Al-Hassan, she brought in expired products and obetoma a Legon student in Mabi Femu. Still, the people at Ayawaso West Wago, they voted for that lady. In any country, Lydia Al-Hassan should be in jail. And these are some kind of things that Adwoa Safo they have learned. Now they know say Adwoa Safo would say Dome Kwabenya fo Jimmy. Ohu omo so me nkwasiafo. Ohu omo say omo ni adwene a omo betume decide ama omo ho. Adwoa Safo went to stay in America for years. Abra na yetua ne car from the taxpayer. Dome Kwabenya maamefo omo nam nsuom. Omo nam awiem. Omo nam mfuturo omo kwan asay no. Those people, the taxes were taken. We were giving it to Adwoa Safo for her to enjoy in America with her kids. At the point, na Adwoa Safo to car $200,000. Dome Kwabenya, the whole constituency, obieni obetumato sakari bichi. So you see, say, for her to even come out today and tell Ghana for say, I will still contest and be the MP of these people. No, one, ohu omuso mwe Jimmy. Into what Dome Kwabenya na ende okachem so wuni nkansah wo de we Ghana ni meto Adwoa Safo na nkansah hu so we Jimmy, because what will even make Adwoa Safo decide say she still wants to lead after the disrespect we show Dome Kwabenya for. These are the people we keep talking about. They don't respect you people. They see you people somewhere Jimmy. They don't hustle to get power. Because someone would say Ghana for be a Jimmy. So I am MPP near or beto aba se preko or NDC or beto aba se preko. So every time they don't value the people who give them power. Adwoa Safo assess Dome Kwabenya for. Adwoa Safo would say Kwabenya for Jimmy. When we say mpenifo nkwara mbrewa obi ayaboa. Every say even so free crowd 2 years cra ambesa ko salite say ntwe atwaba amano. This is the highest form of disrespect. Adwoa Safo ewa bruche yebusa say Adwoa Safo na wono Ghana na we MP no, what is happening? Are you going to return? Who is saying Adwoa Safo time ma menche ma de bi time na Adwoa Safo we say who say Adwoa Safo ohu Ghana for the Kwabenya for so mu Jimmy Adwoa Safo bra bruche da ben. Adwoa Safo ye jantra no Kennedy Japan wo ye. The reason time make say jantra and say Kennedy anware no Adwoa Safo ni Kennedy bo jantra abra Kennedy aware ono so bo jantra wo be 29 no na Adwoa Safo tafre Kennedy to na Kennedy so tafre Adwoa Safo to enti that means no mo bo jantra e no mo de wo sankwara mi no me jantra ma, with all due respect to nkwara no. And these are facts. Into Adwoa Safo in her political life, it has been a political jantra no abodi abedru ha. She has no credibility to even lead the people of Kwabenya, because also a Christian, we a Muslimini. Na se nyamemra na udiswa den oba okobo jantra wo ye ukoto aba ama no. Because sanka owawarias no way there, I get it. But also in Kremoni Christonia, den na you overlook these things to vote for Adwoa Safo. In the first place, Adwoa Safo who somewhere Jimmy. Ohu Kwabenya for nkwara mpenifo se mo ye moa eni ti otumi de nsa sinibu say they will vote for me again because I'm yankwasiafo. Monhwe Adwoa Safo, the fake lifestyle and the lies. This is Adwoa Safo. This is the real Adwoa Safo. Monhwe Adwoa Safo na nkasa no. Adwoa Safo na nenim se kokuo pa no onye. This is the real Adwoa Safo.
Kwadwo is not corrupt, and it's not now that he's going to be corrupt. He has never been corrupt. So you cannot even tag him with corruption. And he's going to select a team that is also hardworking and incorruptible. So you show by leadership. If the leader is not corrupt, if you are corrupt, he will sack you or prosecute you. And Adwoa has fought for the human rights of this country. We are here today. You are able to interview me because of his sweat and his demonstration that led to the abolition of the criminal libel law. At first, if you are a radio station and you speak against the government, you will be prosecuted and sent to jail. many a times you will not even face prosecution. You are just thrown into jail. This is a man who fought for a democratic country like ours. And when you work hard and fight for the things that you believe in, many people tag you as arrogant. And that is why our opponents were going on. Nanado believes in civil liberties and civil rights, and believes that democracy should prevail, and has fought for it. So they tagged him, you are violent. They tagged him, you are arrogant. If a man believes in something, in his conviction, and pushes for it, and the country benefits as a whole, this is a man who believes in Ghana and will definitely move Ghana forward. One district, one factory, he will do it. The $1 million per constituency, he will do it. Free SHS, he will do it. Teacher first, we will do it. Nurses and teacher allowances, as he said, he will restore it. We will make sure that when it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to health, when it comes to education, all the sectors of the economy, he will perform and Ghanaians will see. Dr. Bawumia is also there to also help him with the management of the economy. And his experience and his knowledge in economics, you cannot doubt it. He's not going to do metrics with our economy. He's actually going to make sure that the city stabilizes, the economy is managed in such a way that we don't borrow more than we can actually spend. We make sure that we generate income internally. All the harbors, if you are bringing in machine or industrial machine that are going to help with the production and create jobs, we are not going to tax you. We are going to be a production-friendly government rather than a taxation-friendly government. That is the NDC. They have taxed and taxed and taxed. If we hadn't resisted them in Parliament, they were even going to tax condoms. They tax appetition. Everything is taxed. This is a government that is not sensitive to the business community. NPP.
This is the real Adwoa Safo. Ojeji chameka krebi. The bro from wisra. Somewhere Jimmy. Somewhere mele, into the way on them. Somewhere Jimmy. What in the bro for way 5 years ago pe enchebiao 2017 ya. Ne bro for wisra. As a kwasebi oti Dubai ne nimu wisra say nkenke nsu funu. Ne bro for wawo, bro for no wawo, bro for ne pafa no. To me a mudi sha Adwoa Safo nsem ende wa brecha ekufu adu baby. And the Adwoa Safo ye busan Ghana asema tie nsema na Adwoa Safo boboso. One district, one factory, no tag from production from taxation to production for their teacher training. And then na no wisra ne say kura, ne nim say kura. This is a member of Parliament with Judge Juma to ho. Akotena brochire e kan kwase asem. Yen Jimmy ye. Ohu mu Kwabenya fo se mo Jimmy. Ohu Ghana fo se mo Jimmy. Nansen ya o unenim na nanim se kura ya de Ghana sika mawo ye tua wo kabo sumi bia ya sa tam chief of staff na adwene wo fom watam Ghana sika mawo se beto aba nefa beto tia betoma 11 yefa taxes MP Ghana for so na Canada Japan Jimmy for bodamni no kwasiato no o se o me na me bagi sika ne de koma me jantre ni ba no Canada Japan hu fi na on na nam ho no ono so oya member of Parliament no ono so betena abrochire ene drilling ni trim ene nkwasiafo bi ne wegu abrochire ene omo constituents hu omo ase moa ene wetika mu to nwom ene yetewo MP for Domiko Abenya mesi hwe nanim hu nanim first no nanim se kura se mo agimi osako tena abrochire na yes afre busan se da ben na obeba no sanka obeso kohwa wo ma na nka wa resign na kohwa wo ma wa abrochire. Because all you're a member of Parliament in Ghana, you need to live with your kit in Ghana. Me who congressman nema eti Egypt or your congressman or America. Catch America for say me jai America jumana to akotena Egypt every time me buy yare wo ho. We Jimmy America for penny. The moment obe make that statement to say me ba ho mfa no America inti me jai Ghana to kwa America ko hwe me ba no ya boa Ghana for na mo to constitute mo to ma o mo Jimmy. Nansen andi nansa and Adwoa Safo nti Ghana brofo.
Waiting for you. In fact, in Parliament, the processes and the hearings have started. Obviously, to hear some of your colleagues, including yourself, who've not been present in the House for some time now. Are you willing to appear before the committee? Are you willing to return and appear?
Definitely, I will return. As you know, my son has been unwell. And that is why I had to come here to the United States be the mother and the best mother that I could be. And I'm still here making sure that all that is settled with my son and all the authorities and the school, and it's still ongoing. I've been a deputy leader of Ghana's parliament, and I know the rules, and I know that the Privileges Committee wants me to be in parliament, but as we speak, I don't know that I've been invited. I have to be served, and I'm not aware that any such thing has been given to me. I'm just hearing it from you.
So all throughout the process, when it was announced even by the speaker that you'd be facing the committee, no official document has come to, not even your office in Ghana, communicating that to you officially?
No.
So this would then mean that you will not be appearing before the committee?
As you can see, I'm here in the United States, and I don't know that I was supposed to. I mean, if the speaker says that you've been referred, the committee has to sit and have its own modalities of how we're going to appear, when and how, the dates, what information they're required.
Na ye cry about sasi we su be ye den. I didn't hear Jimmy sir. Your problem, the mediocrity, the you don't have any self-esteem. Sheldon, you know, at time.
Adwoa Safo Kwabenya. Adwoa Safo Kwabenya. Adwoa Safo yogurt na wo channel fan yogurt no. Enya MP adwuma. Obi anto abamfa unkosi parliament se kwache yogurt. Adwoa Safo Kwabenya. Obi anfa unkosi parliament se dey kwache yogurt ma omo. Yogurt ne bo esen. Obi abetimi ato yogurt adi woni fie. Ya to abama se sika na wa wia no. A wodi ato efie wa brochi ade umman kwasiafo ma no. Kenede Japan ya kufu ado mana wa wo magu enkwase fie no America no. To se afie no na fa sika no koyi ka kwan. E wo domi kwamianya. Kwasiaba. Kwasiabe. Wuni awo se ne twe. Wa jimiche nipa bia wo si companies wo. Wadi asese abuyufu no na form kogu si company num na ma wo si employer mu no form to payroll na beka say Adwoa Safo has created this huge employment ompena kwasi yampanyini wanda ema mpanyini akufuado ompena kwasi yampanyini Canada Japan ya MPC parliament ma omu stop VW cars no me de ba no na omu kwasi yakikasi ya ma home use car ma no omu stop na munya dan mu fasika ne enkowura kantanka kasim na akufuado aboa no oba betra kantanka kasim a di asem no ka kire papa no obedada no mekoduru a medwene ho me make sure se meboa wo am wadwuma na koyie ade ukosi parliament wakobai utwam ene yewom sobiri ana wo nkwasiama anya no ntina. That wasn't the purpose. The purpose is what I'm telling you. Enti akufuado na ka kire se Ghana fo agimi oni Canada Japan no senti brana bedada amuna yere nche yogurt mamu me Twene Jonas me catch you say fine yogurt ne buonuru 10 cities mpo obioti oha woman is e fine yogurt bia betimi ato fine yogurt anom ade wonfi kwase America abaye no na fine yogurt ne ye che ya wa wo nkwase amade o mabegu a kwasi broni enda hu ni nyansa en watena ni kuro ma chichiri ni kuro ye ena wo bibifo tantan sa no wo si ukuro mu nye ya ye wo MP aboa ba wonim se wontimi nye MP no ni adaje adbe ya wa besi wo ba kwasiaba private jet awfro de besi Ghana no sa private jet no ehu sika no etimi etubo ai pipe wo community ni society edema ayifo no edema ukromfo constituency fo no nkoto abama no ofui kwasiaba Kauja yogurt ni chena ko fasika nbe ya omani ye. Mo ka se nipa be jimi down. Fi ate. Wasia ye do akosi parliament for so bia mouse 8 years wa waste no kwa. Wasia ba. Woni akufu adu nyina ma mo bra. Akufo mampanyini 8 years wantimi ensi school dan mampanyini 8 years wantimi anyaka kwan enti Adwoa Safo kan employ maamefo na egu na ache yogurt mom no ko employ omuma na monkwase free education amode bae no omuma wie egu fie omunya adwuma nye kwasiaba abuaba monkwase free education akotua sika kotua weba koto webra no maamefo na jeje bosi ade omuma na kwa wie mana sanda ne bosum asifie na omo se to aduane ma omudi omanya adwuma nye me yesisa omkogu ma over factory o ofui. It's not a jug anymore. It's not. Wasiaba. What do you say? A police for one joint. Yes, me person be say me driver na me here. Me microphone here. The inappropriate time now. Me could do New York. I measured that I relaxing. My baby now so full time. And of course, see be adi me che yogurt. What Jimmy on? Asia yogurt ntini yakoto abama. Oh, but the asem na kan ya ema ekoto abanima o. Yes, we see nim nyansa abo friends oni o so say Adwoa Safo yemfa ne nko. No obi anim se okoda ni tutu ni esi parliament o. Obi anim se okoda ni tutu ni. Asia nkwasi mana wawu omudi omagu ano. Sa nkwasi amano nya taxpayers money na on dey hwe nkwasi amano ye Jimmy se mo na de ukosi parliament say kwa wo nkwasi amana fa musika no ko ekotua nkwasi aka wa Jimmy on one de ukosi parliament say kwa wo nkwasi ama hey Adwoa Safo anya Jimmy a major squad amoma be bu e mass squad yo omama be bu wa Jimmy say ade adai un fi wate wa siaba. Me wa the grade akura kwesi kwa no so na wi kwan kran kanchen Jimmy what the boni say abe pa ache wa wi a ache o padi wi ya koye adwuma na asida bi wa Jimmy akoto fan yogurt to da bi ko no afren be tra me bi yetinum ne yanko na me na da kromu ofo na me nche yogurt mom. Well, look at this wasiaba this time is not a joke anymore.
Well, abusia and your Kelvin Taylor or Twene Jonas grass and kwa. The system is working 24/7. On my day, on my fire. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo Sanu. Well, omudi oma komodi, but ni nyina day ejina constituency honum ebusia send ye omudi nebebo omumfani mo eye over to you Domiko Abenyafo bibia eden. Edamuso yeshe diabeko akosie na Skeleton Man TV so me say diabeko akosie bia yenso yede bebremu. It is a way of first time a ushe video e was Skeleton Man TV a eni abomoden a subscribe mia notification so na click on ni so send ye video bia yede betum no wonso nsa beka no anya bia share me dase bebre.